Hello, my name is Wayne Alexander, and today we're going to be taking a look at announcements in CRM 2011. Announcements are almost like billboards where you can post information about the company, and users will be able to access a certain area of CRM to see that information. Now, in the workplace area of CRM, users would click on the announcements link, like what I'm doing now, and they would see the announcement that you've created in this particular area. You notice in the announcement area there isn't a new button in the CRM toolbar simply because you don't create announcements from the workplace area. To create announcements, we have to click on the settings section, and once in the settings section we go ahead and click on the administration link. And then we go ahead and click on announcements. Now, announcements are really straightforward to create. As you know, whenever you create anything within the settings area, it's applicable for the entire organization. So I'm just going to go ahead and click new. You'll notice that title and body of the announcement are business required. They're red asterisks, which means they're business required field, meaning they must be filled in. Try to make the title as descriptive as possible, because this is what you'll use to be able to identify the announcements. So I'm going to say I'll use my dummy company Alexa Corp. So I'll just put here new developer joining Alexa Corp. So that's my announcement. Okay. And now I can put the actual body of my announcement, and this is the information that the end users will see. I'm just going to quickly write something here. Okay, so I'll put some information in the body. You can also add a URL to your announcement, so I'll just put in here the website of my dummy company, and you could have an expiration date as well. So if I was to add an expiration date, what it literally means is that I would once I post the announcement, once it passes the expiration date, the announcement would automatically not be available for people to see. So it's just a way of managing your announcements and making sure that there's not old announcements kept in the system, or in the announcement area I should say. You'll notice that the expiration date is not a business required field, so it's not mandatory that you have to give an expiration date. So all I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go ahead and save and close my announcement. I'll just wait for the page to refresh for that to go through. Just take a couple of seconds to do so. Okay, so the announcement is now been created. Just want to point out that you can run workflows and start dialogues based on the announcements that that you've created. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just jump back to the workplace area of CRM, and there you can see there's the announcement that I've created, and there's the URL that we also put in the announcement too. So I've just shown you a simple way of how to create announcements, just getting information out there to the rest of the company. Thank you.